So it's currently 1:50 a.m. in the Philippines. It's August 7th, Sunday. We're going to Baguio. But first, we need to go to the bus station. Kita Kits.
So here we are now at 2:30 a.m. Andito na kami sa Genesis Bus Station sa Cubao. And we're going to buy our tickets. And of course, we are advised to log in dito sa bisita.baguio.gov.ph. It's really necessary to fill up all the information kasi yan talaga ang requirement. So all what you have to do is sign in and then choose your Google account. And then of course, you have to fill up all the details, your first name, middle name, suffix, gender, birthday, and all the necessary information which is really required on this site. So after mo ma-fill up lahat ng information, you have to proceed. And then of course, you have to answer again all of the important details here. And then proceed again. Next is you have to read the data privacy and then the visitor's consent. Then confirm and register. Now, your account is already created. So, sign in ulit with Google. And then, pindutin ulit ang account. So, now, as you can see here, you have to schedule a visit. So, choose that. So, select schedule a new travel. Then, proceed. Then, click leisure, recreation, or vacation. And then, proceed again. So, if may nakaready na kayong pag-stay sa Baguio, just click Tourist Accommodation Establishment. Then proceed. And then you have to choose your hotel. Or else you can choose not staying overnight and then confirm. So in case of emergency, you have to fill up all the necessary information here. Then proceed. And then choose your travel agent. So of course we choose none because we don't have a travel agent. Then proceed. And then fill up the date, visit, from and up to when. Where will you be traveling from? And of course, the mode of transport you used. So sa transport company, merong options. So you can choose in between Victoria Liner, Genesis Transport, or UV Express. And then you have to fill out the estimated time of arrival. Then proceed. So choose the first one if you are fully vaccinated and then upload the copy of your vaccine card. Then confirm. Then you have to tick all the statements. Then next. Review your travel details if it's correctly input. And then proceed. So now your visit is already scheduled. Then click back to home. So if meron pa kayong ibang mga kasama, choose my travels. Then click the three dots. Add companion. and then read all the necessary information here. So now you can add companion. Then fill out all the necessary details again. And then proceed. So if marami kayong kasama, then you can repeat the steps on adding companions. Para makita ang QR code, click View. And then screenshot the QR code, and you have to present this dun sa attendant. So, at exactly 3 a.m., andito na kami ngayon sa bus. And, ayan, explain ko ngayon ang mga benefits ng isang premier bus. So, it consists of 28 seaters only. Napaka-spacious ng seats and meron talaga tayong wide leg room. 3 seats per row. So, dalawa sa left side and isa sa gitna, sa right side. So, meron ding in-vast restroom or comfort room. Pwede kang bawas or jumingle while on travel. Then, stowable tray, table and cup holder if you have drinks or any type of food with you. Then, USB port para mag-charge ng mga gadgets or mobile. And then, of course, an entertaining system. So, this is the small screen monitor to watch your movies and games. And meron ding e-books. Total hours of travel is 4 hours. So, nearly 7 a.m. we're about to arrive at Baguio. And ayan, nag-enjoy kami while we are seeing the way going through the bus station. Nga pala guys, 7 p.m. kami kagabi nagplan ng pag-travel sa Baguio. Ayun, napakabilis ng pangyayari kasi I believe na minsan kahit na biglaan lang yung plano, mas natutuloy pa talaga. Kahit na alam namin na medyo rainy talaga at saka may low pressure. So yon, at exactly 2 a.m. nag-travel na kami papunta ng Cubao, and 2:30 a.m. ando na nga kami sa bus station. And yun, we complete all the necessary requirement para makapag-travel kami. So thanks God, natuloy.